they leave the journey because some of them just see the story and them don't know. Where about Mr. Flight? Oh my God. Watch out, me there at cartoon and then Mr. Ross Flight after we there sleep for 1 hour. Anyway, guys, the real thing is you guys need to pray for me because is having a hi baby, how are you? Have a safe flight. Some technical difficulty. That's how I go. Pick up yourself, my boss. Some technical difficulty. So I was having a conversation with Kiki. I'm gonna say, Kiki, you know, it's a dangerous flight this way I go on because you know, say they must say and me not trust the flight. Cause me I said to her, say me even text my sister, cause you know my sister go to college, so she's supposed to be brighter than me. Me say the plane can like how they like how they have problem. Them all have for me and I know say serious thing this me I ask them. Huh? Thank you. Come on, boy, we're go right up by front, you know, and think go on dog. Yeah, but me I go and talk to them, so me go and wait. Yeah, Microsoft is having oh, hey, what's up?
Good to see you.
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, pretty good.
Good. Wait, you going on this flight? Oh,
I'm
no.
headed to Cali.
Okay.
Where's this going?
I'm on live, so yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to say.
Yeah, of course. Good to see you.
Yes.
We got to get together when you get back.
Absolutely, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
How does everything go?
Everything is good.
Great. I like that.
Proud of you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for being proud of me, man.
Of course. We always got to support each other and what you're doing in the music.
Oh, you have my number.
I do.
You guys sent me a screenshot that you bought my album. I was just telling my fans. Everybody who knows me in real life gotta buy the album.
What's up, everybody?
Hi, bestie. Yes.
I'm gonna send it to you via text and I'll send it to you on IG.
All right, thank you. Hi.
Good to see you, love.
Good morning. All right. Thank you. Safe flight.
Yeah, and I'll see you when we get back.
I don't think
it's dangerous, but it's just disrupting everybody's flights, you know?
So how is it disrupting the flight? Is it like what? Supposed to be morning, you know? From morning, me ask him, I say, LiQWYD, the people, they must say, this and that and that. Here, him, the college graduate. Boy, I don't know enough. Where them go at? Big up yourself. See there, big man, respect.
Just hear your voice.
Really? Big up yourselves. Hi. Oh, absolutely. You see it? I have old fans, young fans. I the man me attack, not you. Yeah, best they come.
Yes, thank you.
The quality nice thing, I like it. Yeah. Mirror 25, my album is coming out August 9. The link is in my bio. Pre-order. Outside, I'm bright. As a matter of fact, for this month, we need to stop taking pictures if people don't buy the album. Me I support who support me. That's not about just until the flight board. I'm a camera to go up on the plane and go whisper. Yeah, bestie. Yeah, let's talk about it. Gangsta is out right now. Click the link in my bio and go and stream, run it up, support it. Big up Ireland the Boss. Ireland Boss. The whole of the song was recorded at Ireland Studio in Jamaica. So Ireland, big up yourself. Who could it be? If we didn't know people like you a long time in my career for 25 years, then trust me, I probably would have reached further. Because remember, I'm tell us, I'm going to go Ireland Boss Studio, go record the entire Mirror album, and comfortable, the ambience, all the man wife nice, the man daughter nice, everybody for the man nice. We never see this yet from a band. Then one family could have nice, so big up the whole of your family, Ireland. Nice and comfortable, and that's why I was able to just write and reflect on my album Mirror 25 because a man like you. So I'm gonna stop to pick up Ireland the Boss. This song is also produced by Ireland the Boss. So big up Red Boom Super Mix. He mixed the whole of the song them on the album as well. So big up to Red Boom himself. And big up yourself, yo LiQWYD, you know how you construct and compose the whole of the rhythm them. This is going to be a great album. I'm not ask you, I'm not deny you. When I tell you, say, click the link in my bio and go pre-order, you won't regret it. Because at the end of the day, song will go drop after song. Song just after you go drop. Remember, say 25 songs. So I have a lot of songs. And I'm not telling you you're going to love all of the 25. Let's be very real and very clear. I could have sing 25 songs for you one. I have a diverse fan base, and so there's going to be all types of song on it. But remember, I promise you, you have to go at least. I'm gonna ask you, may I tell you, me say everything upon the album. Every single thing upon the album, I sit down and construct this properly. Me nothing no miss na fight. Reggae upon it, dancehall upon it, raw dancehall, skin out upon it, clean song upon it, good song upon it, bad song upon it, gangster song upon it, this and that, salt and pepper, black pepper, onion, tomato, scallion, thyme, every blood clotting mix up on this. Me not ask Christ. Pre-order this album. Hey, good morning. How are you? Sometimes I'm going to the patois, I forgot that some of them don't understand. She said, what are you saying?
No,
But, oh, you come from Jamaica too? Yeah, I want a decent Jamaican name. It's just a nice, you look nice and decent, like a nice lady. Which way you come from? Country, I bet. Me not tell you. Me tell us what country she come from. Look how the lady look nice. Yeah, no disrespect to town, but town girl who know that in a shots and the people at the airport. Look at the nice lady. Look how the lady look nice. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Big up yourself. Mobie, big up on yourself. The lady said she come from Mobie. Hi, how are you? Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes. Big up.
You know my aunt.
St. Martin, me like your accent.
Melissa?
Mona Lisa is your aunt?
Yes.
Big up. Mirror 25 is coming out August 9. Make sure you go pre-order. Yes, the link is in my bio. Oh, I found it. Yes, right. Yes, just a board. Good morning. Seats. Wanna see old man come to me? No, wanna see kids. Look at these little young kids. Look at this. 3 generation me represent. I eat to eat my fat. Look at this nice, pretty, cute little baby right here. So, yeah, I can bet her mother is a fan of me, and now she come end up be a fan. Me not ask you 3 generation. I this one eat my fat. Look at this. How you know about me? You hear that? Who know I watch Buddies? Sure, yes. Want to do them together? Thank you. All right. What's up, big flight? Come. Have a safe flight. Nice to meet you.
You made it.
No, I love Delta.
Oh, good.
Delta, I look at airline. Hi.
Oh, shoot. At least you got your camera.
Mirror 25, the album is coming out on August 9th if you just join in, okay? So make sure y'all run it up, pre-order, link in the bio. Come outside. All right, big up yourself. So pre-order the album. It's right here.
Oh, okay.
Pre-order Mirror 25. Yeah, I'm good now. Yeah. Yeah. That is it. The whole team tired. When I ask you, them flag out. At first, Levi ever wake up and him go wake up to him and walk. To him stand up, make him wake up. I thought, yo, who don't understand this? A man named Sleeper. And you want to hear somebody reading them up, some look something night or look snore. Them a man a snore and build them reading me. I mean, I ask you. Right, true. Yeah. Yeah, Africa sends love. Big up yourself, Africa. I have Afro beats on the album, blood clot. I wish we could have sing one of the song now. Hey, I have everything for the album, yeah. The album full of ackee and starfish and banana and breadfruits. Yeah, all that shit upon the album. Every single thing upon the album, yeah. You could have want to see one album I come out with 25 songs from the Queen and you not have it in your catalog. You could have lived this this? Crazy. You must be crazy. You must be crazy. Watch you make a beg the lady I skip. Bestie, can you give me a skip in front of you? Okay, thank you so much. Blue here. See that? Yeah. Thank you. Oh, it's that. I'm right. People that love me. This would have eat my fat. Yeah. Yeah. That is it. Somebody said buy in. Send me a screenshot when you buy it. Because we know we say when you buy it and don't buy it. We're going to run up this number. We're celebrating 25 years. And I'm so excited and I'm so grateful. 25 years is a big thing. It's not a small thing. To be relevant in music after 25 years, it's a big moment. It's a big celebration. Big up Father God himself. Who could it be but my Jesus when we worship? Yeah, big up Father God. When we talk about greatness, we have to remember God. Mirror 25 is the name of the album. If you're just joining, link is in my bio. I want you guys to support the Queen the real way. Yeah. The woman happy, so she give me a skip. The lady happy and crazy. Hi, good morning. How are you?
Jamaican right here.
Oh, really? Big up Jamaica, man. Otada. Irie. Yeah, Otada. We'll look about to Talawa. For sure, absolutely.
You're born.
Yes, come, Otada. Nice.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you so much. You have a good day too. All right, take care. Otada. I have young club. I have to put on my boarding pass. The boarding pass, they dip on the phone. But Kiki. Oh. The neighbors want to see come back. Every time I click off of the phone and come back, it not hear me. Wanna hear me? Spice Girl did the lady happy, the lady nice. The lady to give me a skip. Yeah. No man, the lady did happy. Man, from the woman see the lady that's at so. That early morning, so this flight was um 6 o'clock flight. I don't know where you are, but it's 8:40 for me right now. So we had a delay. So we were literally just race. Yeah, my nice, pretty goddaughter. Well, let's talk about it. I have a lot of god kids, by the way. I'm just a busy god mom, so I haven't seen them. But big up my god kids, them. Big up. More than others, you have to believe, say, people are going to hate on you. It come with it come with the territory. It come with it, you understand? You come like you're going to one job and you want to be the manager and you're afraid. It's a connection loss. I want the Microsoft, you can't play with the phone too. But we talk to them and it's just a connection loss. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So yeah, I was telling you guys, some of you they work on don't want to work for you know, manager, all of a sudden will become a manager. It comes with a lot. The floor, they flat up on the floor. Then we travel me alone up. Mm-hmm. Team no sleep, but it's one lady alone don't sleep. The whole team always asleep. Oh, what is? just sleep.
Because she can play some serious joke. You see, I wasn't around at the airport.
Everywhere there, like your eye. I say, trust people. You know this big public place. You never know the people there. I say, trust people. You not even know where they are asleep. You don't shut fear your eyes, sir.
Yeah, we jump up ready for run. Ready for run. Think we miss it flight.
Oh, God. God, why not them do me? The whole of them asleep on me. My eye not lock. Me not easy for lock my eye. Me want to see what Here what to hear, boy. You should trust. She doesn't trust me. You know this airport, she don't know nobody out here. Somebody could have sprinkled something in her mouth. She doesn't like her in a big airport. She have to stop this man. And then leave at him, and God make him not sleep. We would have in your snore. You would have in your snore of the whole place. Sleep too much. This is not team no sleep. This is one lady don't sleep. Yeah. I true we want me leave and not sleep. I'm going to tell you. Never sleep. New song is out in the besties. If you guys had pre-ordered the album, you're gonna get the song for free. The song is called Gangsta. Big up the one law boss himself, Chronic Law. Big up yourself. Yeah, that one named Gangsta. Make sure someone go check it out. Run it up, stream it up. Pre-order the album is super important, guys. You can't say it's our bestie if you're not do the real thing. Real besties do the real thing. Support the queen the real way. Nobody come tell me congratulations down the line when you see the success. Be a part of the success. Be a part of the success and don't come tell me congratulations later. And the only real way to be a part of the success is to support the album by buying a copy of the album. The link is in my bio. It's only $9.99. All you gotta do is buy it. If you have an iPhone, make sure you buy it on iTunes. You saving it on Apple Music or whatever, that's good. But the real support is when you buy the album. That's really what's gonna matter. A lot of you have been supporting me and following my journey. You know, 25 years is not a small thing. It's a big accomplishment to be in the business for 25 years. So if you have been supporting me for 25 years, I want to say thank you. I appreciate it. But this is your time to make sure that this success means a lot for us. Because you know, when the album come out and the album has gone good, you know, feel like say you were a part of it. But I see me and come talk about Queen, I love you, congratulations. No. See me and show me, say, Queen, look here, and me and you do this together. Yeah, because this is for us. This is a big moment. It's a big one. Make sure you buy the album, buy your copy. If me and you are a friend, you have my number. I'm telling you already. If me and you are a friend and you have my cell number, you know, send me a screenshot and say, Queen, buy the album. You know your place, okay? You know where you stayed in my life. That is it. You put yourself in that category there. So make sure you buy the album. Send me a screenshot. Dane_Lewis say I buy first. And I don't buy nobody music. Things like that means a lot to me. I appreciate you, Dane. Pick up your nice clean self. I'm in your comments. Yeah. Mirror 25, the album is coming on August the 9th. And to be honest, our generation, we don't like buy music, but that's not a good way to go. Yesterday and say you don't really buy nobody music. But if one is a real bestie, do the right thing and buy the album. Not just listen to it free and save it and download it. It takes a lot of streams for you to even become or considered a part of the, you know, the whole process. So might as well just buy a song. If you can't afford to buy the album for $9, buy a song. Real besties do real thing. Make it make sense. The link is in my bio. Support the queen the real way. I'm on the road right now. I haven't slept for 2 days. When I tell you that, you don't believe. I say, you know, I sit down yesterday at the airport and them not sleep and I snore. And I say, you know, me I go live. Then my best of them see the real thing when me I tell them, say, yo, at 3 days, me not sleep. What you say?
You don't sleep none at all. She don't sleep. You don't know where she get the energy from. This woman don't sleep none at all. None. No sleep. She make me look lazy. You don't run out, you feel like you're lazy, like something wrong with you. You wonder what day you need to go I need to go doctor. You feel like we have a problem. Can me sleep.
That's why the people them feel leave.